Hello, welcome to my channel. So today let's look at today's daily challenge question. Leetcode 442. Find all duplicates in an array. The question is given an integer array norms of length n where all the integers of norms are in the range 1 to n. And each integer appears once or twice. Return an array of all the integers that appears twice. You must write an algorithm that runs in O(n) time and uses only constant extra space. So the example one norms 432782331. So there 2 and 3 appeared twice. So the output is 2 and 3. Example 2 112. So the norm 1 appeared twice. So it return 1. Example 3, there is only one element and the one only appeared once, so there is it's returning empty array. And the time complexity n is a norms n is between 1 and 10 to the power 5, and the norms I is between 1 and n. So each element in norms appears once or twice. Okay, so the this question we can use an approach called greedy. So what we want to do is to move the numbers to the value matching its index. So for example, we can use the first example as an example. So what we want to do is we want to move the value 1 to 0, and the value 2 to index 1. So if it's a one index, so it will be in order, right? 1, 2, the third one is 3. So then we actually don't know these two values, but we know the 7 and 8 should be in the last. So now each value is matching its index. So then when we are after we move to this, we can search the entire array and check if the value is matching its index. If it's not matching the index, then this value is actually a duplicate. So after we go through the entire array, and we will find the 2 and 3 is duplicates. So we just output the 2 and 3. So now the question is, how do we move each value to its index? So we can use a swap approach. So for example, we can firstly loop I to n. Then inside this loop, so we can actually check if norms I is equal to norms I if norms I minus 1 is equal to norms I. So if it's not equal, then we can do a swap between norms I and norms I minus 1. So we do a swap as and so yeah, the while loop should be if it's not equal. So when it's equal, then it will stop. So norms I will be assigned the value temp. So after this while loop is exited, then norms I should be matching the matching I. So then then we actually go through the entire array, and after that we will get something like this array, and the time complexity is O of n, and the space is O of 1. So okay, so let me start coding now. So firstly, let's get the length of norms, and then we actually can copy this code to the here. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, so now we just need to do another loop or check. We need to define this answer list. Then we check if norms I is equal to I plus 1. Then continue. I mean, this means this is a good number. But if it's not, then we come to this step. Then we add the norm psi. So then in the end, we just return the answer. Yeah. So the first one looks correct. The second one. Yeah, so it all looks correct. So let me submit this. Okay. Yeah, so it AC. Yeah, so this is the first time we talk about a greedy question, I think. So hope it helps. Let me know if you have any question. So if you like the video, please subscribe or click like button. So thank you for watching. See you next time.